Hello guys, let's talk today about this mini G3 camera. I got it from Amazon. So it's an indoor and outdoor camera, a smart camera, pretty easy to use, okay? And let me just unbox it here. So this is just a quick unbox so you can see what's happening inside. Here we go, open it up. The first thing that I see here is a user guide, quick installation guide, okay? So you can install your camera. And here it comes with some thing that you can scan, a QR code you can scan to download the app and install your app. So usually cameras like that are very easy to use. You just need to scan this app, okay, and this QR code to download the app and connect to the camera. Very easy like this. So it's a good camera, you can install outdoors. It works with Google Play, okay. Get it on Google Play, the app, and or the Apple Store. So basically just download your app and install to use with this camera. Let's see how we can unbox this. Here we go. So here it looks like have some accessory. Or no, it's the camera already, right? It's so small that I thought was some accessory. It's not, it's the camera. It comes here in this plastic bag. Here we go, it's very, very small. Okay, very interesting. A small camera, and then you have this base here that you can move like this. And okay, you can also install this here onto a wall because you have here a hole for a screw, and you can install this into a wall. Here you have in front of the camera the lens, a microphone, and then a light that can connect. You can install outdoors, for example, illuminate the place. And here a connection for the cable. So basically you should have here cable. Let me just, it's not easy to remove this from the box. So here we go. Open it up, and here we go. The cable for the camera. You just need to connect it here. So pretty easy. And it's protected because you're gonna install this outdoor. You're gonna protect against water. And of course this is just going to connect to power, right? It could be your phone charger. It doesn't come with a power supply, so you need to connect to yours. Let me just double check here. No, it does come with a power supply. I'm sorry guys, it does come with a power supply. Okay, the power adapter. So here we go, it's a power adapter. Then you can use with your camera. It's a small one. That's the reason I didn't see it. It's just an unboxing. I'm seeing this for the first time. So it comes with the power adapter. It comes also with some screws and anchors, so you can install it. So basically, let me just put everything here so you can see what it comes into this box. So here we go, box, box, box. And here the main box. Let me put it here so you can see. That way, okay, beautiful, right? So that's everything that comes into the box. If you wanna test this camera, use this camera, go to Amazon and get yours.